Hello everybody, welcome to Art in Purulia. I am Turit Mato. Today we'll be doing some experimentation using acrylic colors while painting two pelicans. Experimentation in the sense, since acrylics are very versatile colors, I'll try generating some texture using knife and see whether it's coming well or not. If no, then I'll paint using usual paint and brush, and also at the end I'll check whether the background is suiting well with the pelicans foreground color or not. If no, I may like to change the background. So how I have started is I've just using a HB pencil, I've drawn the outline of the pelicans, and thereafter I have proceeded with blocking paints of the ground as well as the background, which is supposed to be water. I have used grey and white initially for the background, and I have used burnt sienna for the foreground. Now I'll try painting using a painting knife, but before that I have allowed the painting to be completely dry so that it doesn't smudge the earlier paint. Knife painting gives an impressionistic look, and landscapes as well as still life comes out very nicely. Now today I am experimenting the same technique with these two birds. I am not very hopeful, but let's see if I can get the textures of the feathers rightly using this technique or not. I'm not quite happy with the result much. Maybe because the feathers didn't come out very nicely using the broad strokes of the knife. So I've resorted to painting the details using usual painting brush, and I'm using a zero size round brush for the feather details. And I'm also retouching some of the areas wherein the texture of the feathers as well as the bird's body come out nicely. Now, in overall, it had come out quite nicely, but I thought let me make the birds more prominent by changing the background color. Let me make the background color a bit more dark so that the birds in the foreground pops up. Now I am applying a bit of turquoise blue to represent the water at the background. Let me see how it comes out. That brings us to end of this experimentation. We have tried out quite a bit of methods in this, and overall I just hope they have come out well. And thank you for watching the video. And if you have been following my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. It definitely gives me enough encouragement to go on with more videos. Thanks once again.